So what's up guys, welcome back to TechMesh. Today we are tackling a frustrating issue that many Redmi or Xiaomi phone users encounter, the dreaded automatic volume up and down problem. But fear not, because we have got some effective solutions to help you squash this bug and get you back enjoying your device hassle-free. So let's dive right in. So picture this. You are watching your favorite video or listening to your favorite song on your Redmi or Xiaomi phone, and suddenly without warning, the volume starts going up and down on its own. Annoying, right? But fear not, because we have got some trick up our sleeve to fix this pesky problem. So this problem mainly occurs for various types of reasons. One is software and another is hardware. So I will show you two methods. So first, just open the settings of your Xiaomi smartphone. And after opening your settings, then scroll down a bit, and then here you need to go to additional settings. So just tap on additional settings, and then here just click on accessibility. So here you can see the option accessibility. So just tap on here, and then here you can see 4 options. So you need to mainly go to hearing. So here just tap on hearing option here, and then you mainly need to enable mono audio. So just enable the mono audio, and then try and see if it fixes your problem or not. So this might work for most of the people. So if the first method didn't work for you, then I will show you another method. So the second method is, again you need to go to the settings of your smartphone. And after going to the settings of your smartphone, then scroll down again and then go to apps section here. So just tap on apps, and then here tap on manage apps. And in your manage apps, here you can see search app. So here you need to mainly type for system launcher. So here you mainly need to type for system launcher here, and then just tap on your system launcher. If you have an option here called uninstall update, then just make sure to uninstall it, and then here click on clear data and tap on clear all data. Alright, so this was the second method. And if you are unlucky and both of these methods didn't work for you, then I am afraid to say that the problem might be with your volume button. So if your volume button is physically damaged or it has been used and worn out for a long time, then I would highly suggest you to go to a technician, and your device need to be manually fixed. The volume button should be manually fixed. Alright. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Until next time, I'm Mesh from TechMesh, and I'm signing out.